This video is provided by Dynamic Enterprise Technologies, and here's our contact information. We are discussing the Connected Business SDK and specifically customizing user roles. So here I am in a test solution created by the SDK, and I'm right mouse clicking on my presentation project, and I'm choosing Connected Business, Manage User Roles. So I'm connecting to the development database. So I'm going to customize the customer module. And I'm going to add a new menu option to the customer section. I'm clicking on an existing menu option and then choosing Add Item, and it will add it in that same section. But before I continue, I meant to say that before you get into customizing roles in the SDK, you really need to know how to work with the role manager in Connected Business under System, Customize Roles. You need to study that or watch the training on that. Really get to know the role manager before you start using the SDK. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and give my menu item a name. I'm going to choose a small image and a large image. I'm just grabbing some images out of the website. I have no idea how these are going to look in the menu.
Network security information.
Okay, now I'm going to right mouse click on this menu option. Actually, I'm going to save this first. Then I'm going to right mouse click on the menu option and custom table, assign custom table. And I'm going to choose the custom table I created in the previous video. After scrolling down, I see my table, so I'm selecting it. And now you can see this menu option is connected to my custom table. Now I'll proceed to work on the form. This is the list view. If I look at the detail view, you can see I've got my fields. I'm not going to worry about how this form looks. I'm just worried about customizing the role right now. I'm going to close my form. Save and close. Save and close. So now I'm back at my project, right mouse clicking Connected Business SDK. Now that I did some changes to my user role, I'm going to script the user role. Asking me which database to connect to. Now here is the menu option that I created. So I'm going to select all, click OK, and then it's going to script the role change that I made. And I can see that role scripted here under user role. And I guess I can't see it. I'm not sure why my script didn't generate before. I'm not going to worry about that at the moment. I'm going to show you a different project I was working on earlier where the user role script did generate, and it looks like this.
Oh, tago na nagmamag.
With my role customization, I went ahead and built my solution, and now I'm going to install that into Connected Business. So looking at my debug folder, these are the 4 DLLs that make up the plugin, and this presentation one is the one I'm going to install. Now, when you install a plugin that impacts the roles, it gives you the opportunity to decide which roles you're going to apply that to. So I'm going to go ahead and choose all, and then I'm going to choose administrator and user as the roles to apply this to. Okay, my plugin's now installed. After installing any plugin, you need to sign out and sign in again so everything can reload. Now I'm going to customer, and here is the menu option that I added. So it didn't work out exactly as I planned. I'll have to research and figure out what happened. But the purpose of this video was to show you how to customize the roles using the SDK, and we were able to get that done. So that'll be the end of this video.